couple of screenshots here and there. You can do that recipe, then you can move on to the day 6 recipe if you've missed it. And this is just the awesome thing that we've done to make it super easy for you in case you skip a day or just couldn't make it to really work on your recipe. Now, working on the 14 days journey to better ranking is the best thing that you can invest your time in, because it explains everything on how you should build an SEO strategy. And if you take this 14 days journey to better ranking, it's really impossible not to have success using the Squirrly SEO plugin and the Squirrly SEO software suite, because it walks you through everything that you need to do for SEO. So using the 14 days journey to better ranking and the focus pages feature of Squirrly, you'll get everything that you need to do. And even if you don't get amazing results in the first 14 days, you will get the amazing results in the next 14 days just by reapplying every single day, every single recipe that you've seen here, and you rinse and repeat until you get those results. But this is the clearest, the cleverest way to get the results that you're yearning for. And now we've made it super easy to walk through day 1, day 2, day 3, and whatever, and just open each recipe up and start doing what it says there. You can do everything with Squirrly SEO.